Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel FOOTCRAFT. I hope you all will be fine. At this channel you can see handmade shoe making video and various type of footwear designing and crafting video. Today I will make point belt shoe pattern, and if you like my video so please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest video notification. So guys, let's start it. Okay guys, as you can see, this is shoe last, and now we are going to masking this last with masking tape. For proper masking of shoe last, don't straight taping, always cross taping to reduce strength of wrinkle. Okay guys, now remove the waist part from this way and another way as your choice. Now find manually center line of the last, mark 3 point for the center of the last. First point mark manually in the center of the instep side, second wem point and third toe point. Now cut the straight strip. Okay guys, now paste by meeting the point, and now same process apply in back side, means counter side. Now cut the straight line and remove waist part. Okay guys, now measure the standard length of the shoe last. Now mark the counter point. If you want to know how to find counterpoint and vamp point, so click on I button and watch video. Okay guys, now mark in half between vamp point and feather line, and same process apply in inner side. Okay guys, now mark a point 10 mm ahead of the vamp point. Okay guys, now cut the line. Now remove this part carefully and paste the paper sheet. Okay guys, now draw a straight line. Now mark a point 3 mm ahead of the counterpoint. Now add lasting margin, mark first point 15 mm, second 17 mm, third, fourth 15 mm. Now draw a lining joining them. Okay guys, now draw a curve line. Now folding the paper and cut the pattern. Okay guys, our pattern is complete. If you like my video, So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.